Hello everyone, it's Lee May, and today's video, which you will have seen by the title, is a nails collection, which, I mean, right now you can't really see any nails collection because you are located where I do my makeup. My nails is down here, but I just wanted to show you where I keep my nail stuff. So this is literally it. It's a little drawers thing. And nails are in these two, makeup's in there because I have an excess amount of makeup, and then I have some nail stuff just shoved down there just because I want to keep my nail stuff together. However, I just didn't have room for it. So going into the first drawer, this is what it looks like, and you can see it's very full. Pull it out more. Yeah, you can see it's very full, and here is what consists of most of my like acrylic extension, decoration. Yeah, as far as that goes, it's all in here. So tips, acrylic, monomer, and then just any other stuff. So if I zoom you in, so starting off in the corner, you can see that I have loads of polygel, and this is a set that I recently bought just because I wanted to test it out. I do have a video coming soon, if you want to see it. This video will come out before. So you'll just have to come back and look for it. But yeah, I got 7 different shades, but I'll go in more detail about the polygels in my video. Okay, and then over here is the nail tips. You can see that I've got 2 different types, 2 different colours, which are clear and then white. Really not that, really not that interesting. Let me just clear this up. And you can see that I definitely prefer using clear tips rather than white, just because it looks more natural. Going further on into the drawer, you can see that I've got more tips, which are for the polygel, and can I just say it's so much more handy having your tips in like a container like this rather than the bags, because the bags honestly just take the piss. I've got some glue, which this glue is awful. Please don't get it. It's not that great. And then I would say over here is more like my decorating area, my station. I've got a wheel of different gems, rhinestones, and then here, which I absolutely love and I recommend so much because you can do so much to your nails, which are literally just tape. It's just tape, different colours. I think I got this from Amazon and it was about £2 for all these colours, and I use them all the time, or whenever I do my nails, but still haven't really got through them at all. So they genuinely are worth the money if you think you'll use them. And then down here I have more rhinestones, basic ones and then colourful ones, and then some tips, just because the tips, I didn't really know where else to put the tips and they fit there, so I just put them there. And then cuticle, snippers, some more glue that I don't have a packet for, dotting tools, and then I have cuticle pushers there, because obviously they are a necessity. And then moving on to these little things, which you will have seen in my unboxing of the the unboxing of the Amazon acrylic set, which you might have seen before. These came in there, which I don't use that often, but they're nice to have. I'll go through them all so you can see what I have. These are acrylic, and I've used quite a lot of, well, I haven't used a lot of it. How many have I used? I've used 2, so not really that much, but I've used some. Glitters, which I do like. Flocking powder, more just glitters. And yeah, you can see that I've used 2 of those too. So going into more of the extension of the nails, this is where I keep more of my like acrylic stuff. So you can see that I've got some acrylic here, which is the Mia Secret, and then I've got these 3 acrylics, which is clear, white and pink, which came in the Amazon set, which if you want to know like my opinions on the Amazon set, please go watch the video, because I've done a demo and an unboxing, and yeah, they are really helpful if you are wanting to buy them. So yeah, the acrylic, that's all the acrylic I have. And then I've got 3 monomers, which these are the ones that came with the Amazon set. And I got 2 of those. And then I have a Me Secret monomer, but I can't find that. But that's the Me Secret one is the one I'd normally use. And then here I've just got nail brushes. These don't last, however, I use them anyway. I for some reason just keep buying them because they work, but they just don't last very well. But they're cheap anyway, so it's fine to replace. And then here I keep all my nail files, which I recently replaced my nail files because I needed more, so I've just got all the same. Oh, that's going through me, that horrible sound. And then here is the slip solution for the monomer. Not the monomer, sorry, the polygel. I don't know why I said monomer, but yeah, this is a slip solution for the polygel. And then here I've got some Cuticle oil. Just that is a necessity if you are doing nails, especially acrylics, because you will dry out your cuticles. So that is it for that drawer, I believe. And then going into the next drawer, you can see is a lot emptier because I haven't crammed everything in it. Yeah, so consists of lots of different nail colours, like just literally there's no order to it at all other than this is gels and these are polishes. I have a mixture of brands which vary from like more expensive to extremely cheap, and to be honest I can't really say that there's much different in the expensive and the cheap brands, so if you're wanting to know, genuinely you don't need to spend that much money on polishes and gels. You just need to find the right brands really. So with the gels, I've got OPI, which I literally only have one colour, but then I have a top coat and a base coat, which I recommend so much. Like, if you want something in your kit or whatever, these are the ones. Like, you know that a top coat really just goes a long way. OPI is the way to go. These are gels I got from Amazon. I think these were the first ever gels I got, and they're good to play with at the start and get used to them, but they're not that good. Here I have 2 more top coats and base coats, and I don't like them that much. They're just comparing them to these, they're just not that great. However, the price point is very different. I think these were like £10 altogether, but I think these were £10 each, maybe more. To be honest, probably more. It was a while ago since I got those. Here are some nail gels that a company kindly sent me, and I reviewed them, so if you want to go look at that, I've got a channel. Well, go look at my channel, you're already on my channel. Yeah, go look at my videos and you'll see a manicura review. Also did a review on these, which I cannot tell you how amazing they are. Like, for the price, they're not big, they're only 10 mil, but for the price I got 18 different shades, and very different shades. I got nudes, browns, pinks, purples, greys, blues, and I think I got all 18 for about £12, and that's just an unbelievable price, and they genuinely work so well. So yeah, really happy with those. And then moving on to the polishes, I don't really have that many polishes in my opinion because I threw loads away. And then I've got some Morgan Taylor nail polishes, and I think these are probably the highest end I've got in nail polishes. Another one there which is a grey, and I do really like them, and they are easy to use and all like these other polishes just because they are bigger, and they dry quick, which I love. But for the price point, I don't know, but I normally get my like more expensive polishes from like the clearance, and that's just because it's got loads of the stock left, and like, I don't know, because these are all summer shades. I got these in the autumn, and these aren't autumn shades, so that's why they're in the clearance. I've got LA Colours, which honestly such a cheap brand and a good brand to be honest. Ted Baker, which I haven't touched this one in a while. Even got some Primark, and then I've got, what's this? I've not touched this in a while. Rimmel Colours. Oh, sorry, Rimmel London. Don't know what I'm on about. More Rimmel. What's that? More Rimmel. Got a top coat here from Mark Gel, which I don't know where that's from. More Mark Gel. Orly. Oh, this one was a favourite back in the day for me. more Rimmel, that may as well go in the bin, didn't even know that was there. Barry M was one of my favourite brands when I was little, so. But yeah, that is genuinely it for that. So that is it for this video. I don't really have much else to show you. Just behind there, which my cat is about to get in shot. Sorry. But yeah, just behind there is the nail drill and UV light, which you will have already seen in other videos, so I don't see the point in showing you. But yeah, they are down there, and then my acrylic stuff and like nail polishes, nail gels, and that is honestly everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be here next week. That poly gel demo is coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. See you guys.